So I'm here at Swallow Falls. We've been getting a lot of rain over the past several days, like an abnormal amount of rain. If you come here really on any day, there's a possibility that you could either fall or drown, and it's just not worth it. Use extreme caution. Sounds louder than usual. Wait until you see this. It's definitely pretty high. Alright guys, if you want to see Swallow Falls in action, now's the time. But if you do come, please exercise caution. Alright guys, until next time, peace.